Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sasha. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this super amazing company that I decided to team up with. This company goes by the name of Candid Co. Many of you guys probably already heard of them, and if you haven't, I'm super excited to share it with you guys. They are a company that straightens and brightens your smile for 65% less than other companies. If you guys are interested in following me and hearing more about this journey that I'm going to be on for the next 8 months, keep on watching. Come on! So guys, let's start off by talking about Candid Co and what their company is about. So I'm on the Candid Co website. You can go to candidco.com and I'm going to go ahead and just show you a little about the website. Now, this is an easy way to get a straight white smile in an average of 6 months. So there's about 3 steps to get started with actually submitting your molds and stuff. So step 1 is going to be send your impressions of your teeth. This is a $95 kit. Once you're done sending that in, it goes to an orthodontist and they go ahead and start designing your treatment. Then you go ahead and get your aligners. They are delivered to your door, which is super convenient. So you can do this in the convenience of your own home. You do not have to leave and go to a dental office. I think that is super, super amazing. They do talk to you about a little more things as far as like, you know, what their mission is and stuff like that, and just why they are different from other companies that do aligners. One of the big reasons why I liked this company is because it offered not only the whitening system, but it worked with orthodontists only. Now, I think that is super, super, super important and kind of the reason why I went with them, because they can work on your bite, something other companies can't do. Now, they go ahead and give you a breakdown of how much this is going to cost you compared to metal braces and conventional aligners. You're definitely going to save your money, and you do not have to go to an actual dental office like I said before. But I am extra, and I wanted to go into the dental office for about two reasons. I'll say 2 reasons. One reason was because I didn't want to do it on my own, and the other reason was because they opened a new location in Hollywood and I wanted to check it out. So let's talk about the locations that they do have available in case you're like myself and you just want to go in and have somebody do it for you. They have one in Austin, Texas. They have one in Boston, Massachusetts, Columbus, Ohio, Santa Monica, California, West Hollywood, California, Chelsea, New York, upstate New York, up east side New York, San Francisco, California, and they'll be opening some more very soon. Now, they also have an Instagram where you can find out a lot more about them. It's at Live Candid. So I will leave their information down in the description box below, as well as a coupon code to save yourself 25% off of your actual molding kit. So that's going to be cool. Now, the biggest pro of going into the actual location, other than the fact that you don't have to do the molding and photos on your own and you know they're going to be approved, is that you do not have to pay for the molding. It is free. You can get on their website. I did go to the West Hollywood location and I just booked an appointment. They give you directions, which was super nice because I did get lost coming from Palm Springs. But they were super nice about it. I think I got there like 10 minutes late and they were like really nice waiting for me. Now, I did record some of my visits, so I do want to share that with you guys. So this video is going to be kind of in and out of now and when I originally went to go visit them. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I know I look a little crazy right now, but I'm in West Hollywood. I'm here at the Candid Studios location, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them. They're gonna brighten and fix my smile, so let's go inside.
My name is Renata. I'm a patient care consultant here at Candid. Just wanted to give you a real quick tour of our office and see how cool it is. So follow me. So we're gonna go back here, take a look at the office. So this is where we do our scans. We have our intraoral scanner. Everything's real sleek. The design is awesome. We have these Molo walls. So we have everyone that comes in to brush their teeth. So back here we have our bite club sign and our brush room, which is pretty cool. Very
Yes.
cute.
So like Renata said, they had me brush my teeth. They gave me this toothbrush. It is a bamboo toothbrush with charcoal bristles that help for whitening, and it was amazing. Hey guys, so we're here with for the
Renata.
camera from Renata. We're gonna go ahead and explain to you guys how the steps of the Candid aligners work.
All right, so your aligners come in this beautiful little box here, and every 2 weeks you would move on to the next step. You change your aligners every 2 weeks, but you wear them for 22 hours per day. You take them off for 2 hours per day. And the reason for that is to let your teeth kind of settle and rest. People usually utilize that time to eat or drink your red wine or whatever you want to do. But we do ask that you make sure that you brush your teeth before you put your aligners back on.
Okay.
When you take them off for that 2 hours, you're going to put it in this cute little nifty little case here, so you don't lose them.
Yep.
And here comes a whitening foam. You just put a half a pump into each aligner. It actually cleans your aligners, it freshens your breath, and it whitens your teeth at the same time. Awesome. You can use it up to 4 times. It's very gentle and it won't make your teeth sensitive.
Awesome.
The amazing thing about it is after this, you'll get a free retainer. You'll get another cute little box like so.
Cute.
And another carrying case, and you'll get another free whitening foam with that as well.
Awesome.
That's it. It's really simple. 22 hours a day, change them every 2 weeks, and you're on your way to a great smile.
Sounds easy enough.
Yes, it is.
Thank you. So I wasn't exactly able to record her doing the molding. It wasn't that they didn't allow me to. It was just my hands were full. They were in my mouth, and it wasn't a pretty sight. I didn't want to take away from the experience anyways. I mean, you guys, if you want to go in and check it out, you definitely should. Like I said, you get a free consultation, and they do all that good stuff for you. So after they did the molding, I did receive I'll say about a month later, my email from Dr. Lynn Hurst letting me know that she was going to be my orthodontist and she would be taking care of the actual design of the molding and my transformation from start to finish. Now this is going to be 16 steps. I'm going to be changing my aligners every 2 weeks, and it's going to be over the duration of 8 months, which is not a lot if you take into consideration that I used to have braces in like middle school for 2+ years. So 8 months is nothing to me. I mean, considering how long some people have their braces on for, and the results that I'm getting in the short amount of time is unbelievable. So as you can see, I'm changing from every angle, just kind of showing you guys the transformation from start to finish, how it's going to look, and they give you this 3D design for you to approve before you actually go ahead and like set up the aligners to be sent to you. And I think that's super nice because you really know what you're getting into before you actually pay for it. Because, you know, I've heard crazy stories from other aligner companies where they say they didn't do anything but shift one tooth. So I think this is super amazing that Candid shares this with you. It just gives you the heads up before you go ahead and actually purchase them, and you can see and get excited about your results like I did. I couldn't believe it. Look at that gap close and those puck teeth go backwards, girl. I know it probably doesn't look as bad in person, but trust me, it's really that bad. I'm so happy because that gap is going to be closed. It's just embarrassing. Like, I can't stand the way my teeth look, and I'm extremely excited for what's to come. So if you guys are feeling or have ever felt insecure about your teeth and have just been wondering what other options are out there besides, you know, braces, I definitely recommend you guys at least go into a local Candid so you guys can check it out. So now when you get these, you're definitely going to go ahead and approve them, and you should receive your aligners in about 3 weeks. So I'll be giving you guys an unboxing and all of that. But I do want to give a special thanks to the West Hollywood Candid crew. They were just absolutely amazing, made me feel so welcome. And if you guys are interested, their IG handles are right here. Now I'm sure you guys can see why I'm so excited. I definitely get a lot of compliments on my teeth, which I think is kind of crazy because I personally don't like my teeth. I've had braces in the past and they just didn't work out for me, and yeah, like my teeth are horrible again. I have a really bad gap right here, as you guys can see, and I did share with you guys that whole before and after. So I'm really excited for what my teeth are going to look like in 8 months from now. And I mean, the whole Candid team was just amazing. As you guys can see, they explained everything so well. The place was really nice. I did go to Hollywood to go out there and actually get my aligners, not get my aligners, but to get the actual molding and photos done by somebody who does it on a regular basis. I felt more comfortable doing that, and to be honest with you guys, I did want to visit the location because it looks super nice. But if you guys are not anywhere near a location, definitely get the mold. It works perfectly fine. I'll list a couple of videos down below where they actually do the molding on themselves so you guys can see how that works. I just didn't feel comfortable doing it myself and thought, why not just drive out there and let them do it for me so I know everything is going to work out for sure. So that is an option. The kit is like $95 if you guys do want to receive it at home. So I definitely think if you guys are far away from the location, it's worth it just to go do that. It takes a little bit of time, but I mean, they give you all the instructions you guys are going to need to be successful and to get your photos approved and your moldings approved. So afterwards, I did get gifted this cute little Candid shirt. So yeah, I'm part of the Candid team now. I'm super excited. And they gave me this cute little tote. I also received, when I first got there, and I showed you guys at the beginning, the toothbrush, and then they gave me a little pamphlet or a little brochure. So speaking of the brochure, I wanted to add this cool fact that Candid actually partnered with this charity by the name of Smile Train. Smile Train is an international children's charity that has provided 100% free cleft repair surgery for nearly 20 years to more than 1 million children around the world. 1 million children around the world, they offered 100% free cleft repair surgery, guys. That's so amazing. So by purchasing the kit, you have guaranteed funding for a child in need. That's so amazing, you guys. I'm super excited, you guys. I'm definitely going to keep making videos and sharing with you guys my journey throughout this whole process. So you guys are definitely going to like see me go through the steps, and I'm going to let you guys know how I feel and stuff like that. And I'm super excited because these aligners are so affordable, especially when you compare them to like the cost of braces or Invisalign. So I'm super excited that I have the opportunity to collaborate with this team. And if you guys have already tried or heard of this company, let me know. I definitely would love to hear it. So I'm going to keep you guys updated, like I said. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the description box below. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I hope you guys enjoyed this introduction to my Candid journey, and I hope you guys will be following me throughout this journey. It's going to be super exciting. If you guys are interested in starting your own journey, make sure you guys check down in the description box below for a code to save 25% off on your molding kit. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamSashaFierce411 as well as Candid Co at Live Candid.